Yo, hey man, say man, how's your day, man? Your favorite trade Geo come back with another video, man. Let's go to get off into today's price action. Gotta exhale after that, man, because like it's October the 1st, right? Government shutdown. We all should be aware of this, especially being traders of the NASDAQ, right? The U.S. instrument, top 100 tech companies. We should be aware of these things. We should be a professional about what we're trading. All right. So the government shutdown. From my understanding, I thought they were going to withhold the data that's released on these news events. Like today, we had PMI and whatnot, so forth and so forth, right? But no, it's still released. Let's go ahead and get off into it. For my trading, man, I usually have this. This is an iPad, and then on my iMac, I have like 2 minute. This on a 5 minute. Let's see. Before 9:30, make sure you guys can see that. Before 9:30. This was the high of the 5 minute time frame. This was the low, right? We broke structure to the downside at 9:25, but 9:30 came, attempted to touch this 4-hour gap, which you should expect when they're this close to each other, and then went up, okay? Came in contact with another 4-hour, then went right back down. Now, for some, this is consolidation. For some, this is chop, but this is just the algorithm. This is a 4-hour fair value gap. It's very important, guys. Very important, okay? This is a big 4-hour fair value gap. Important with a 2-hour inside of it. So we have multiple of the same internals, and when we have multiple of the same internals, you can expect a day of chop. What traders like to call choppy days, consolidation. That's what creates consolidation. Multiple of the same time frame internals. All right, so I didn't enter off of this, of course. There would have been no trade except for the buy to the upside. Now, following the exceeded edge model, this works perfectly because this is an example of a caveat to the model, okay? This was a 3-break model. This was a 3-break trade. The exceeded edge model naturally is like a 2-break. Is a 2-break trade, but this was a 3-break, okay? Especially on the 5 minute. You got 1, 2, 3. Then the next one you went ahead and ate, and you would have still been eating off of it for about. We can start right here. For about, so you would have been eating off of it if you would have been patient, you feel me? But I was on a 2 minute, I believe, and maybe even the 1 minute today. And I need to stop doing that because it gets a little hectic on these time frames. That's why I don't like it. But it gives you the opportunity. My group chat, my family, they caught the sell on the 1 minute. I was focused on the 2 minute. So when I got in my sell, like for it to make sense, it was down here. And I was hoping, being that because we broke structure inside the 4-hour, that we were going to continue going down to get these lows that I had marked up into this one. But nah, the overall picture, man, is that yesterday we came in contact with a daily internal, right? Whoa. Oh, well, tonight, this morning we came in contact with a daily internal, and I didn't know that. I thought this was yesterday. See, I have to pay attention, man. It's a little hard, I have my son, but that's not stopping us from making money. We made money today, but it's a little hard. I got to lock in for real because we touched the daily at 3 o'clock in the morning. Of course, touching the daily, first time touching this daily internal, we're going to climb the mountain. You either have a cliff to jump off, like this. This is a cliff to jump off, especially being that it's trying to touch this small 4-hour, break a structure to the downside on the 5 minute. You got a cliff to jump off, right? Touching the daily, of course, you got a mountain to climb. But you're not just getting in trades just to get in trades, right? There's a reason why you're getting in trades. You're looking for breaker structures. You're looking for contact with high time frame internals. We're not just out here nilly-dilly, you feel me? Never. So I got in that sell, lost a little bit of money, wasn't tripping. I knew that, of course, being that I had the 5 minute time frame open on this iPad, I seen what it looked like. And I was like, well, I know what to do, right? Again, I've been reading charts for going on 8 years, guys. So it's not too difficult for me. And again, days like this is really hard for traders who don't really know what they're doing or understand that the market runs off of internal and external, right? It looks like we're trying to break this 5 minute. Okay, so if we're looking at it right now, I know I'm all over the place, but the market's still open, so you kind of expect it. Breaking structure to the downside, that's a sell. Feel me? So what did I do? I looked at the 5 minute on my iPad. I seen that we had broke. Like, well, no, I was already entered, but I seen that this leg down, we already damn near came back up 50% of this leg. I know I don't talk about that a lot on my but that's just like some experience stuff, right? 50% of it, we've already passed that. So me going to a lower time frame, I'm just simply looking for a BOS or a short-term BOS. Of course, the BOS right here, I could have entered in on this, and I did enter. I was waiting for this to be broken, this short-term BOS. I didn't really care about that, but by it breaking, it broke like right here. You feel me? And I just went ahead and waited for the actual break of structure. It broke structure here, had my stop loss here, as you can see over here. And then it gave me 90. Okay, I was looking for 100 points, but I really got out around like 95 points for real. So it is what it is. It did what it was supposed to, and now we're going up. On the 5-minute time frame, as I was just looking at, if it break that structure to the downside, that's a good sell. You feel me? But yeah, that's today, bro. Today I would say that first L was due to me thinking that because the government shut down, the market was gonna kind of like just do what it wanted to. But no, it stayed true, and that's good. We have a system. Appreciate you, bro. We have a system that works in any condition, in every condition, and that's what matters, right? A system that you can replicate, because replication is key. So, hey man, say man, it's your favorite trader, man. Gio, come back with another video, man. Have a good day, man. If you guys want to become Profit Times, man, neverquitexceed.com. Change your life. Friday, Saturday, 10 p.m., 2 a.m. workshop, and every day we trade live with the group, man. We're a family, man. If you want to change your life, join the Octagon, become a Profit Time. Say, man, have a good day, man.